Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be very special. Today we're gonna be doing a holiday glam look, and it's gonna be perfect for Christmas and also upcoming New Year's as well. So it's gonna be a classic holiday with red lips and glittery eyes. So guys, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Let's start first with priming our face. For that, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Primer. Primer is perfect if you have dry skin, and especially in winters. If you don't want your makeup to break or kick up on your face, it's going to be a perfect one for you. Guys, get that beautiful smooth finish with dewy glow. Actually, moisturize your under eyes because they tend to get dry in this dry weather very quickly. As you can see guys, I made my skin super hydrated and super glowy. Perfect base before makeup. Now starting with the base, I'm gonna be using this skin tint by House of Makeup. It's their luminous skin tint. It does give a little bit more coverage than your normal skin tint, so if you want a little bit more coverage into your makeup, this is going to be the perfect one for you. Look at the glow and look at the shine. You'll glow like a goddess when you wear this beautiful skin tint. And now for the bronzer, I'm going to be using this one from e.l.f. It's the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand. Right on my cheekbone, on my forehead, and also on my nose. And as you can see, it blends seamlessly into your skin. So if you're a beginner in contouring, I feel like you should definitely invest in this contour. And as you can see guys, blends seamlessly, so it's perfect for beginners because it doesn't have a lot of pigment, so you can easily control it if you go overboard. Okay, guys, next for the concealer, I'm gonna be using this one from Maybelline. It's their Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This concealer has a full coverage and also it doesn't crease under your eyes. The formulation is so good of this concealer. Next for the powder, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. And this powder has this beautiful sheen into it. So it's perfect for this dry weather and it looks super glowy and beautiful. And if you have dry skin, this powder is going to be perfect for you in this winter season. It doesn't dry up your skin or cake up your skin, as you can see. I really love this powder, especially in winters for every skin type, literally. As for the brows, I'm going to be using this pencil from e.l.f. It's their Instant Lift Waterproof Brow Pencil. Just going to lightly fill up sparse gaps that I might have. Just a bit. Now to set my brows so that they don't move all throughout the day, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Brow Gel. Just next for the blush, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Blush Duo. It's in the shade Pomegranate. A perfect peachy nude color, perfect for this look. And it does have a little bit of sheen in it and glow in it, so it gives that beautiful glowy look. Alright, on my chin, just to tie everything together, and also a little bit on my forehead, like that. Starting with the eyes, I'm gonna use this white shade from e.l.f. No Budge Cream eyeshadow range. Starting with the corners, inner corners like so, and taking it towards my eyelids, the inner eye, and I'm taking a fluffier brush. This is a pencil brush. I'm just kind of like feathering out the edges so it blends seamlessly. The base for our shimmer shadow is done. Okay, next for the glitter shade, I'm gonna be using this ColourPop Super Shock shadow. With my pinky finger, I'm gonna just apply this glitter all over my eyelids. Next, I'm gonna be using this Roots Quartz Huda Beauty palette. Now I'm taking this cool tone shade called Precious and putting it basically on the outer corners just to create that depth in there. Now for the eyeliner, I'm taking this shade called Aurora. Guys, I'm gonna start from the bottom first, like that, and extending it towards my outer corners and winging it out, and joining it with my upper outer corners, like that. I'm taking a little bit of shade Precious and just joining it out and completing the eye look. I'm curling my lashes now. Now for the mascara, I'm going to be using this one from Huda Beauty. Okay, so now for the highlighter, I'm going to be using this one from Newsticks. I'm taking it on my hands first and applying this on my high points. It gives this beautiful glow that looks like glow from within. Okay, let's start with the lips. First, I'm going to be using this lip liner from K Beauty. It's a brown lip liner. And now just press your lips together like so. This is how I blend it out. Now I'm taking this Huda Beauty lip liner. It's in the shade Universal Red. Using this onto my center of the lips. I'm taking a concealer now and using this onto my centers. Now I'm taking this champagne highlighter from K Beauty. I'm just gonna apply this right on my center so that little glow. Now I'm taking this lip gloss from e.l.f. It's in the shade Honey Talks. This has a little bit of brown tinge to it, so I'm gonna apply this on top of here. Okay, this is the lip combo that I wanted to create for a long time, and like it's something different from your normal lip combos. So yeah, I'm actually taking a little bit of bronzer. This one is from Sugar Cosmetics. I'm taking it and putting on my crease because I feel like it looks a little bit too cool toned. This is the final look. I hope you like it, and this is like the first time creating this beautiful lip combo. I've never done it this way, so it was very interesting. And also really love the eyes that it turned out, looking super wintry, cozy and Christmassy, and it looks perfect for holidays. So yeah, if you like today's video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.